Install Enjaz app and open. Click on Quick Access. Add here your Akama number. Click on Login. Now here come 4-digit code to your mobile. Add here. Add code. Click on Next. Now here click to top to select beneficiary. Here select one name, which name you send a money. Add amount, how much you send. Click this one. Select here personal expenses. And now click on Next. Now all the details of the money you are sending will be here. If you want OK, push the arrow to confirm side. Wait to pending. Now here on top add your ATM 16 digital number. Here add your ATM expiry date. Expiry off month. Expiry off year. Your name on ATM card adhere. And last add your ATM 3 digital security code. And click Now Pay Now. Now here come 4 digital code SMS to your mobile number. Add here. Click on Submit. Wait to confirmation now. Now your money has been sent. Now send this number to the person in whose name you have sent the money. How much did it become from 800 riyals that show here total? In this way you send a money to your country. Thanks for watch the video.